Dear students, in this video you are going to learn about a concept called relative velocity. What is relative velocity? Relative velocity of an object A with respect to another object B is the rate at which object A changes its position with respect to object B. I repeat, relative velocity of object A with respect to another object B is the rate at which object A changes its position with respect to B. Suppose if VA and VB be the velocities of object A and B respectively, then the relative velocity of A with respect to B is given as VA minus VB. Similarly, if you want to find the relative velocity of B with respect to A, then VBA is equal to VB minus VA. Let us consider two objects A and B moving uniformly with velocities VA and VB in one direction. Let XAO and XBO be the position of objects at time t equal to O from the origin. That means time equal to 0 second. The positions of A and B is taken as XA and XB in brackets 0. Therefore, the position of objects after time t will be given by XA of t is equal to XA0 plus VA into t, because VA is the speed with which object A is going to move, and in a time interval of t seconds, what is the distance traveled by A? VA into t, because speed is nothing but distance by time, or distance is nothing but speed into time. And XB of t equal to XBO plus VB into t, where VB is the speed with which object B is going to travel. So distance traveled by t is nothing but VB into t. Now XB of t minus XA of t is equal to XB naught minus XA naught plus VB minus VA into t, where XB of t minus XA of t is the relative displacement at time t, and XB naught minus XA naught is the relative displacement at a time t naught, that is 0 second. Then VB minus VA is the relative velocity of B with respect to A. Special cases. When two objects move with equal velocities, now you can see in the graph both the bodies are moving with equal velocities alone, but the position of object A and object B are different, but both are moving with equal velocities alone. So if you want to represent the same with respect to position time graph, you are going to have two lines parallel to one another at different positions. When the two objects move with unequal velocities, that is when VA greater than VB, for instance VA is greater than VB, then how can we represent the same? So that is how you are going to have both the lines are going to intersect at one particular point, and that particular point is called meeting position. The time is called meeting time. Now here A is moving with more speed than B. When VA is less than VB, then how can we represent that? So they will not meet because B position is already above position A. So the graph will be like that. They are not parallel lines. They are going to diverge apart. In a simple instance, I'll just give an example to make you understand more clear for relative velocity. Suppose you are traveling in a train with certain speed. There is a parallel track with respect to your track, where there is another train which is also moving in the same direction with same speed. Now there is a friend who is sitting in the another train. Both of you are seeing each other. Both started at the same time. Both are traveling with same speed. Then how you both appear to one another? You both appear in rest. Similarly, because the relative velocity or the relative speed with respect to one another is equal to 0. Similarly, your friend is sitting in another train, but the train is moving in opposite direction with respect to yours, but traveling in the same speed. Then how the train appears to you, or how the person appears to you? Generally, you feel the train which is moving in the opposite direction will appear to travel with more speed than your train because of relative velocity here. Because if you find VBA is nothing but VB minus VA, so VB velocity is V and VA velocity is also V, but both are traveling in opposite directions. So one should be taken as minus. So minus V if we can consider. So V minus of minus V, which is nothing but 2V. So because of relative velocity alone, the opposite train will appear to travel with double the speed of your train. That's the reason for you the train appears to move with more speed. In the same way, the person who is sitting inside the train will also feel that your train is traveling with more speed. That is twice the speed of their train. This is just because of relative velocity alone.